shit. All right, well, so this is my first time driving a Porsche. This is a Cayman GT4RS. Holy crap, man. What? Wow. This is very unreal right now. I'm following my brother to take this car and drop it off, so. But holy macaroni. This car is, whoo, oh man, and it's golden hour too, man. Sunset drives, yo. The best time to drive. Oh my God, yo, listen to that. Woo! Wow, the shifting feels so crisp, dude. Oh God, just keep in mind, guys, I'm a very poor person. I'm not familiar with cars like these. So this is my brother's domain and his buddy, so wow. Woo! Speed automatic. Cool. Super cool. God, the steering wheel is so nice. Wow. Thank you, John and Rob, for letting me drive this thing. Phew. Oh my God, this is so unreal. One day I will have a Porsche. Not on this level, but one day. The dream will always be alive, and it's cheap. It doesn't cost anything, so keep dreaming. God, just listen to this thing. Wow, the downshifts are just, wow. Woo, shit. My God, dude, the sounds this car makes. What the boop? Oh my God. Stop it, Porsche. Stop, stop, stop it. Damn, dude, this is amazing. You know what happens when you get a tunnel? It's music down, windows down, and send it. So, not send it, but you know, you gotta hear it. You gotta hear a little bit. Oh, here we go. God damn, son. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Get me out of here. Get me out of this car. Because I will never own a house. I will never be a homeowner. God, where's the door handle? Dude, where the heck is the... Where's the door handle on this thing, dude? I'm retarded. Where's the door handle? Where's
You just pull this.
Oh, you pull that?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, okay, now I feel it. Oh my God. I'm stupid as shit. Yo, this car, do I need to turn anything off? Nope. I wasn't sure if there was like an e-brake on too or something, but I guess it wasn't.
You just put it in park, yeah.
Okay.
You have it in park, so it should be good.
Whoa, dude. Damn.
So I can run it all electric, or I can run it with the engine. So I'll show you.
Lies.
Right down here, and that's what does that. And then to start the car, it's all touch screen. So like if I want to start it in electric mode.
Have you loaded?
It's on.
I'm riding with him. Yeah, but that's about it. I'm poor, man. I can't drive. You got that right. That's why he's
call you crazy, bro.
yeah. That's my Eho. Miho. Oh, what the hell? This shit is fine. Fuck. Can sneak up on your ass.
Now it's a freeze. Turn into a freeze real quick.